everyone, welcome to TonyaLTV. Today I figured I would do something fun. I'm going to decorate this cake. It's going to be super fun, super cool. I think it's something that is great. You can learn how to decorate your cakes on your own. A lot of birthdays are coming up, holidays are coming up, and I thought this would be so super cool to bring to my viewers. So thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that bell so you know every single time I post a video. Alrighty guys, let's get started. I have 2 cups of conventional sugar right here, and I'm just going to put it over into my mixer. Next, I'm going to add 1 cup of butter. If you're using butter that you buy from the store, you want to use 2 sticks. That way you have a cup. Then we're going to add 5 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. I'm going to put it all in here, get it mixed up, and get this party started, honey. All right, so this is looking just right. We're gonna turn that off, lift it up. I cannot resist, guys. This is just a privilege of every person that cooks in your home or wherever. You have to taste it to know that it's good, right? Yeah, so I'm gonna taste it. Perfect. Oh my goodness. All right, hun. Let's get this out and into these bowls next. So I'm gonna remove this out, and I always just give it a good shake to get it off. I'm sure my son is going to come downstairs to take care of the excess icing on here if I don't do it first, okay? So I'm gonna get all this around the sides, and I'm just going to put some of it in each bowl. Now the majority of it is going to go in the bigger bowl here. And we're going to change the color of some of it. And that's why I'm splitting it into 2 bowls. I think I'm going to do blue. I think blue would be fun. All right, I will set that right here on the side. Stick this here, and we will move to the next scene. Work with my dye. Actually, since this cutting board is white, I don't want to stain it with my blue dye. So I'm going to put this right in the center. And I have my blue food coloring, and I'm just going to add just a couple squirts. I don't want it a really dark blue, just kind of like a light pretty blue, maybe like sky blue. Do you think that would be fun? So I wanted to do something really fun. So I baked my cake early this morning, let it cool down. That's super important when you are getting ready to ice a cake. You definitely want to make sure that your cake is cooled down. If you don't, the icing will definitely melt. So the cake was made early this morning. I think we'll leave some little swirls in it. I don't want it completely mixed. I just want kind of like a fun color. Alrighty. I'm going to next take my piper, and I've already put it together and I have it ready. I'm just gonna fold it down like so and start adding my icing. So let's set this here. Now I have these 2 cupcakes here. I was actually going to make a bear and I decided not to. So those are just chef's privileges. Guys, I eat so much. It is ridiculous, okay? And I'm just going to squeeze that in there. We'll get all of the icing in here. Okay, so as you can see, I have some icing on the top of my cake. I'm just going to grab my tool and just spread this all the way around. Now, it doesn't have to be perfect because we're getting ready to decorate this cake. But you want it evenly all the way around your cake. You guys, this buttercream recipe is super good. I can just eat the icing, truth be told. Decorating a cake is just that simple, and you have your grass-fed cake. It kind of looks like the Shaggy rug, if you will. It's like a mimic, but it's just something cool that I thought I would bring to you guys and show you how to do some things on your own in the comfort of your home without having to spend all of the big bucks. All right, guys. Remember to live, love, laugh, and create. And until next time, guys, bye.